Where's my happy face?
Lorelai.
Mom, my happy face. And my mad face. Happy.
Hi. Hi. Well, hello there, Pumpkin. Are you going to talk to me now? Yeah? Yes. Talk to Mama. You talk to Mama? Hi. I want to hear what you have to say. Yes. I'll send this to Daddy. You can talk to Daddy. Say, Daddy, I miss you. I miss Daddy. Yes. You miss your daddy? He's at work right now? Yeah. Say, I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Can you say that? I love Daddy. Yes, it's a good girl. I love Daddy. Yeah. Okay, now you could say, I love Mommy. No? Say, I love Mommy. No? I love Daddy. I love Mommy. There you go. And you say, I love Sissy. She looks confused. I love my Sissy. Okay, let's go back to Daddy. Do you miss Daddy? Oh, you too. Do you miss Daddy? Is he at work? Yeah. Is he gonna come home later? No. Oh. Do you miss Mommy when she's gone? Oh. Uh-oh. You okay? Big yawn. Okay, let's try that again. Oh! Okay.